last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I gave it to someone special. Twice shy, I keep my distance here, but you still catch my eye. Tell me, baby, do you recognize me? Well, it's been a year, it doesn't surprise me. Merry Christmas, I wrote this up inside.